Okay, and then where is this BMW's airbag computer? And now we have in here this handbrake, and there is gear stick area. And then when I take this cover out, I can see that, hey, there is airbag unit. Look, there is airbag computer just in here. And next I take these bolts out, and then we can see that there is this airbag computer in here. Okay, and then we can continue. Okay, hello my friend, and then how I can replace this my BMW cars, this airbag computer unit, and this unit is just in below of that car's handbrake in here. And for that opening I need now 10 mm socket, and there is 10 mm socket, and when I take this bolt out, there is this 3 of these small bolts. I can take this airbag unit out, and here is okay, now all of these 3 bolts are free, and then I can lift this sensor unit out, and then final step is to take this connector out, and there is, I have to press this side in here. Let's go to look closer. An idea is that I have to press this area in that area in here, and same time I have to move that switch in here in that way. Good. And now this is this ABS sensor unit, and if we have any issues in airbag, this is the computer unit what controls airbag. And then note, there was this interesting, this opening switch, and it open and close so that in that direction it is closed. Okay, thank you my friend.